Welcome to Stoic Life Wisdoms, the heart of the online Stoic community, where we're not just about building virtuous habits but also dismantling the detrimental ones that lurk in the shadows of our lives. It's high time we confront these habits, and Epictetus, the mighty Stoic philosopher, is here to guide us. He spoke of two insidious foes, lack of persistence and lack of self-control, and emphasized the dire importance of persisting in doing what's right, even when it feels like an uphill battle. The path to forging positive habits is no walk in the park. It demands resilience. But there's another crucial facet to our journey: resistance. Resistance is about avoiding the snares of temptation and the chains of harmful habits that stunt our personal growth. So far, this channel has been your companion on the road to cultivating good Stoic habits. But today, it's time to shine a light on the darker side of our daily existence. Now is the perfect moment to shed everything that drags us down, be it time-wasting distractions or the negative emotions that shackle our aspirations. In this video, we're diving into 7 common habits that we must jettison to unveil a life that's more fulfilling and joyful. If you discover value in this mission, I implore you to support the channel. A simple like and a share can help us spread the profound wisdom of Stoicism to a wider audience. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell for regular updates on your journey to a better life. Let's begin. Number 1. Embrace change with open arms. In the ancient wisdom of Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, we discover a powerful truth. The destiny of everything is to change, to transform, to perish, so that you can make it new. This truth extends to every facet of life, from the radiant to the challenging. Yet how often do we attempt to grip the familiar, resisting the unstoppable tide of change? It's a futile endeavor that only distracts us from what truly matters. In doing so, we miss out on the hidden opportunities that change can unveil. Change is the crucible where growth and renewal take shape, and it's imperative not to cower in its presence. Instead of resisting the winds of change, why not set your sails to harness their power? Adaptation is the key, and change brings with it the potential to become a better, stronger version of ourselves. This doesn't mean we must recklessly abandon the old or the present. On the contrary, if you find contentment in your current circumstances, it means that you need not fear change. For within you lies the innate capacity to adapt, thrive, and flourish in the face of life's ever-shifting landscape. Number 2. Don't let anxiety take the reins of your life. In the pages of Meditations, the legendary Marcus Aurelius shared a profound revelation. Today, I escaped from anxiety or not. I discarded it because it was within me, in my own perceptions. These words cut to the core of the anxiety that plagues many of us. It's not the external world that thrusts anxiety upon us, but rather, it's our own doing. We create anxiety through our thoughts about the uncertain future, fretting over what might or might not come to pass. Here's the thing. Anxiety doesn't serve you. It doesn't make you stronger, wiser, or help you solve problems. It's merely a nagging thought that torments you. But here's the silver lining. You hold the power to overcome this mental turbulence. Remember that you've conquered worse situations in the past. You possess an arsenal of tools to confront whatever life throws your way. Differentiate between what's within your control and what lies beyond it. Confront the worst-case scenarios head-on. In many cases, you'll discover that reality is far less grim than the specter of your anxieties. So don't let anxiety rule your life. Take charge, harness the power of your thoughts, and embrace the present moment, knowing you've got what it takes to navigate the uncertainties of the future. Number 3. Release the emotional shackles. The Stoics implore us to master the art of letting go, not just on a physical level, but on an emotional plane as well. We've all been there, haven't we? That moment when we've erred and the weight of guilt and regret descends upon us like a leaden cloud. But here's the wisdom that the Stoics offer. Mistakes are part of the human experience. Don't flog yourself over them. In fact, they suggest that you take that misstep as a lesson, not as a life sentence. Guilt and regret, while natural emotions, don't serve us well beyond a certain point. No, this isn't about denying your feelings. It's about not letting them become your tormentors. Mistakes help us recognize where we've gone wrong, but once we've gleaned the lesson, it's time to release their grip. After all, we're all fallible. What's crucial is to seek growth from your mistakes. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you can emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So release the past and let your future be a canvas of growth and transformation. Number 4. Let's have an honest conversation about time. How often do we get sucked into the vortex of endless scrolling, wasting hours on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so many more where content seems to offer little in return? Seneca's wisdom cuts through the ages like a beacon. We complain that our days are few, but we act as if they were infinite. Imagine that for a moment. What if we truly grasped how short life really is? For many, existence becomes a mere routine, failing to embrace the fullness of living. We let our precious time slip away on pursuits that offer no real value, often procrastinating when we should be proactive. It's as if we carry an unspoken belief that we're immortal, immune to the passage of time. But the hard truth is there are no guarantees we'll wake up tomorrow or be in the position to pursue our desires. Marcus Aurelius, with his profound wisdom, reminds us, you could stop living right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Take a moment to reflect on this truth. Let it be your guiding light. The first step toward a meaningful life is to cherish time as the most priceless asset you possess. Number 5. Time to bid farewell to the procrastination demon. Let's dive into the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, who beckons us with a thought-provoking truth. You could do something good today, yet you choose to put it off until tomorrow. And then there's Seneca, cutting right to the chase, stating that all fools have in common that they are always preparing to begin. Admit it, we've all been there, haven't we? Opting for the lackluster, I'll do it tomorrow, instead of the resounding, I'll never do it. But here's the paradox. What's the sense in procrastinating on something you know you must do, even if it temporarily lures you into the realm of laziness? The real jackpot, my friend, is in immediate action. Here's why. Firstly, our time is a finite treasure, and squandering it through procrastination is a luxury none of us can truly afford. Secondly, rest becomes a genuine delight when it follows the fulfillment of our responsibilities. But when you procrastinate, that rest is tainted with the sour guilt of inaction. Here's the clincher. Sooner or later, that postponed task will catch up with you. The end result? You gain absolutely nothing by putting it off. So remember this. The unparalleled satisfaction of a job well done is only truly sweet when it's completed at the right time, not left to wither away in the abyss of tomorrow. It's time to seize the moment. Number 6. Stand up for justice, the cornerstone of Stoic virtue. The philosophical giants, Marcus Aurelius and Cicero, sang the praises of this moral compass. Justice, in its purest form, is about doing what's right when it comes to our interactions with others. It's a call to act as we should. In Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, we unearth a potent truth. Injustice isn't only committed by actively doing harm, it's equally damning when we turn a blind eye. Silence in the face of wrongdoing makes us complicit in that very injustice. Stoicism calls us to live in harmony with our fellow beings, avoiding unnecessary comforts. But there comes a moment when a Stoic must no longer look away. When does unnecessary conflict become necessary? The tipping point is when injustice unfolds before our eyes, whether it's directed at us or others. In such moments, a Stoic's duty is clear: to defend, to protect, to stand for justice. And we mustn't forget the 4 cardinal Stoic virtues: wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance. Even when we can't control the actions of others, we wield the power to prevent injustices. It's a responsibility we must not shirk. Failing to act makes us complicit in injustice even if we didn't ignite the spark. So let the torch of justice burn bright within you, for it's a beacon that lights the path to a more harmonious world. Number 7. Reject mediocrity. Embrace excellence. It's time to challenge yourself with a pivotal question. Have I given my best? As you reflect on your life, you might notice those moments when you held back, when you didn't bring your A game. The real puzzle is, why settle for less when you have the potential to offer your best? This question should accompany you through every endeavor, every challenge. Strive for excellence in all you do. While we can't command success, victories, or applause, we do command our effort and dedication. What's beyond our control should hold no sway over us. Why be content with mediocrity when you possess the power to achieve the extraordinary? Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any habits in your life that you're looking to transform for the better? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This video is your guide to break free from those unproductive habits that often hold us back. By shedding these habits and embracing new ones as we explore on this channel, you'll pave the way to a more peaceful, joyful, and purposeful life. And as a special treat, I've included 2 videos brimming with Stoic wisdom that I'm sure you'll find enlightening. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ensuring you never miss a moment of Stoic insight and inspiration. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening adventure with us. Until we meet again, my friends, stay Stoic, stay wise, and stay true to the journey of self-discovery.